Hello everyone, welcome to our zipper production workshop. This is our office area, including the tea room and the office. Next up is our brand new raw material warehouse. It contains different types, such as PEPP. In our production shop, 10 zipper extruders are loyal warriors ready to produce zippers of all sizes simultaneously. 10 years of development and production experience is our solid foundation. We focus on the development and manufacture of special zippers and are committed to meeting special, customized needs. Adhering to the service first, quality first business philosophy. After extrusion, the zipper is carefully placed on the winding machine, rolled into a perfect shape of 3,500 meters or 4,000 meters per roll, and then properly placed in the carton, ready for packaging and shipping. Our team is rigorous and professional to present you with impeccable zipper products. Choose us is to choose rest assured, choose quality. Let our zippers make your products beautiful.